Welcome back, YouTube. I'm back with another video today. I'm doing a mid fade the most simple way. So going in with my trimmer, I'll be doing my first guideline, which is your bald line. Then I'm going with my number 1 blade and setting my second guideline. With that being said, follow up with the rest of your detachable clipper blades and carry on with your fade. After using my 1 blade, I'm going up with my 1A, following up with my 1.5, then my 2, and then my 3.5. And with that being said, at the end of those steps, you'll pretty much have a rough draft of your fade, and you'd come back with any clipper of your choice. I'd use my Andes Masters, just because it's easy to pinpoint where your notches are, and that'll pretty much put the whole fade together. Big tip when using detachable clippers, or mainly any clipper when you're cutting hair, to keep a nice consistent fade, remember to keep the blade flush to your client's head, just so you avoid any discomfort and making any mistakes. You don't want to dig in too much. You want to be flush to his head, so it also feels good for your client, and you'll avoid making mistakes. Now, to soften up the bottom line, if you have a 5 out, or if you don't, you could use your trimmers. Just tap at that bottom line. You probably want to push it up a little bit, but not too much. Just tap it, as you can see how I'm just tapping it. And then I'll follow through with my 3 out to still soften up that bottom line. Now, using my masters, as you can see, I'm showing you, I'm only gonna play with the lever. I'm using from top to bottom, or open to close. I mean close to open, my fault. And I'm just pretty much just trying to blend in that bottom line now. And with those steps I did before, using my trimmer and my 3 out, this is making it way easier for me to take that bottom line out and blend it into the top. I'm using my 1 guard on my masters. I'm pretty much done with the haircut. Now I'm just detailing. And for detailing, everyone fades differently. So, it's just according to your barber eye, to your own opinion, how you like to detail. I did do a few touch-ups to my client's head, but pretty much this is the cut. As you can see, I'm just detailing. My wrist is in the way, but yeah, you'll see I'll come back with my 0 guard or my half guard to put the whole haircut together. So when it comes down to the lineup, I mean, I still have troubles for those who have slick back hairstyles, just because their hair's going backwards. But try not to push back as much. I know some people, depending on their hair, you might have to push a little bit just so it looks good. But try not to pass the corner of the eyebrows on each side, so it won't look bad. To finish up his look, I did use a little bit of hair fibers right there in the corner, as you can see. But yeah. So this is the cut though. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully it was helpful for you guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.